Hey, everyone, take a seat. Today is going to be about relationships. The one emotion that holds our emotions back is anger, right? Sometimes I will say things where your heart will resist. आपको लगेगा नहीं ये मुझे नहीं करना है. Hands on your heart. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Relax your energy. Both hands on your heart today. You're going to need this support. Sit straight so your chakras are straight. Now bring a gentle smile on your face. Say, what will happen if I let go of my anger? What will happen if I don't let go of my anger? What will I lose? What are the consequences? What is the cost? What will I be left with? Only the feeling of being right. Only the feeling of my ego. If I continue this anger, there is so much to lose and nothing to gain. What if I let go of this anger? What is the cost? What will I lose? Everyone repeat with me. The first thing I will lose is the anger. And maybe that's a good thing. Do you agree that's a good thing? Repeat with me. I have been holding this anger and not giving my relationships what I can give simply because of my anger. But I realize now there is so much to lose if I hold on to my anger. There is nothing to gain. And if I lose this anger, I just lose the anger. But what do I gain? Say it loudly. What do I gain? What do you gain? Say it loudly. What will you achieve if you let go of this anger? Say it loudly. Answer the question. Keep your eyes closed. You might gain love. You might gain affection. You might even gain relaxation. What is a profitable deal? Holding the anger or letting go of the anger? So one more time, ask this question loudly, which you have never asked before. What will I lose if I hold on to this anger? What will I lose if I let go of this anger? Now, what has a bigger loss? Holding on to the anger or letting go of the anger? So repeat with me. I am ready to let go of my anger because I know the loss is too much. The person whom I'm angry with, cancel. If they die tomorrow, the cost of this anger will be too much. And the benefit is nothing. But if I let go of this anger, there is so much to gain. At least I will have myself. Is it worth letting go of this anger? Or is it worth holding on to this anger? Repeat with me. I promise. From now, I am ready to lose this anger. To gain so much in life. I am ready to be generous and give what I have been holding on. I am ready to be generous, to give what I have been holding on. I am ready to give what I have been holding on. Open your arms like wings and say, I am ready to give what I have been holding on. I am ready to give what I have been holding on. I am ready to give what I have been holding on. What are you ready to give? Open your eyes, everyone, and one more time, repeat with me. I am ready to lose my anger. I am ready to be generous and give what I have been holding. Perfect. Let's take this beautiful energy, put it in your affirmations now. Let's go. One more time, everyone repeat with me. I am ready to lose my anger. I am ready to be generous and give what I have been holding on. Continue for 30 seconds more. All right, time up, everyone. It's time to program your subconscious. Everyone take a seat. Make sure you're sitting down. Right hand on your heart, everyone. Close your eyes. Relax your energy. Now move a little to your left, move a little to your right. And just enjoy the harmony of the music. Let the music work on you. Close your eyes, June. Sing with it. Repeat with me with your eyes closed. Enough of anger. It's time to move on. Enough of hiding my anger. It's time to move on. Time to be generous. Time to give what I have been holding on. Make a decision. What have you been holding on? Is it a simple I love you? Is it a simple forgiveness? What have you been holding on from your relationships because of anger? Make a decision now. Say, I am ready to lose my anger. I am ready to be generous and give what I have been holding on. Are you ready? Are you sure? Open your arms all the way, like wings again. Look up even though your eyes are closed. Imagine you're looking at the universe. Say, I am ready, universe, to lose this anger and to open myself to love, to happiness, to partnership once again. Yes, I am ready to lose my anger and to be generous, to give what I have been holding on. Hands on your heart, close your eyes, and imagine the person whom you've been angry with. And for a few seconds, just lose that anger if you trust me. And for a few seconds in your imagination, give them what they've been waiting for. And you'll realize all they've been waiting for is a few words. Do it now in your imagination. And say it loudly. What do they want to know? What do they want to hear from you? And maybe that anger is towards yourself. What do you need to hear from yourself? There's a link in the description below this video. Click on it, register it, go through the first lesson free.
Yeah.
Where you first experience what is Ho'oponopono and the power of Ho'oponopono, of what you will deliver to other people. And you will learn that by me experiencing it to you first. I call it tears of joy experience. By the end of this session, you will feel so light that after a long time, you will tell me you slept peacefully. And then you will learn how to deliver this kind of an experience to other people.
Perfect.
Just come for this session, and at the end of it, then you decide if you want to become a healer.
Perfect. So looking forward to see you all in the Healers program. Do attend the free course, which is link is in the description. Please join.
See you soon. And if you want us to create more such videos, what do?
Subscribe and click on bell icon.
Done. And then you'll get a notification for our next video. See you soon. Bye-bye.